Hello everyone! Welcome back to another English conversation practice. Today, we're going to learn how to buy flowers in English, something very useful for real-life situations. Imagine this. You walk into a beautiful flower shop full of colors and nice smells. You want to buy some flowers for a special occasion, maybe for your mom, your friend, or your partner. In this lesson, I'll tell you the whole conversation between a customer and a florist and explain everything in simple English and Portuguese. So, get ready to repeat, learn, and enjoy. Before we start, let's learn some words you'll hear in this story. Repita comigo. English. Português. Flower shop, floricultura. Bouquet, roses, rosas. Tulips, tulipas. Sunflowers, girassóis. Daisies, margaritas. Orchids, orquídeas, lililírio, card, cartão, ribbon, fita, vase, vaso, gift wrap, embalagem de presente. Special occasion, ocasião especial. Very good. Now let's hear the story. You walk into a flower shop and say, "Good morning." The florist smiles and answers, "Good morning. How can I help you today?" You say, "I'd like to buy some flowers for a special occasion." The florist asks, "Oh, that's nice. What kind of occasion is it?" You reply, "It's my sister's birthday." The florist says, "How lovely! Would you like something colorful or elegant?" You think for a moment and say, "Maybe something colorful? She loves bright flowers." The florist smiles and says, "I recommend tulips and sunflowers. They always look cheerful." You agree and say, "That sounds perfect. Could you make a bouquet with those?" The florist asks, "Would you like to add a card?" You say, "Yes, please. Can you write Happy Birthday, Anna, on it?" The florist replies, "Of course. Would you like it gift wrapped?" You nod and say, "Yes, please. That would be great." After a few minutes, the florist returns and says, "All done. Here's your bouquet." You smile and say, "It looks beautiful. How much is it?" The florist answers, "It's $25. You pay and say, "Thank you very much." And the florist says, "You're welcome. Have a wonderful day." Agora, vamos entender tudo em português. Good morning. Bom dia. How can I help you today? Como posso te ajudar hoje? I'd like to buy some flowers for a special occasion. Eu gostaria de comprar flores para uma ocasião especial. It's my sister's birthday. É o aniversário da minha irmã. Would you like something colorful or elegant? Você quer algo colorido ou elegante? I recommend tulips and sunflowers. Recomendo tulipas e girassóis. Could you make a bouquet with those? Você pode fazer um buquê com essas flores? Would you like to add a card? Quer adicionar um cartão? Can you write Happy Birthday, Anna, on it? Pode escrever Feliz Aniversário, Ana, nele? Do you want it gift wrapped? Quer que seja embalado para presente? How much is it? Quanto custa? Have a wonderful day. Tenha um ótimo dia. Essas frases são educadas e perfeitas para usar em qualquer loja. Now you can go to any flower shop and buy flowers in English with confidence. Remember, learning English is all about practice and patience. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like, subscribe for more real-life English, and comment below. I love learning English with stories. See you next time!